Holden FE, Australia's first locally styled family car. The Holden FE was a landmark Australian automobile produced by General Motors-Holden from 1956 to 1958. Introduced in July 1956, it replaced the Holden FJ and marked a major milestone as the first Holden to feature a body styled largely in Australia. With its modern appearance, improved comfort, and stronger performance, the FE reinforced Holden's position as Australia's leading car manufacturer during the 1950s. The FE featured a wider, lower body with a curved one-piece windscreen, integrated front fenders, and a spacious interior design to accommodate families comfortably. Available as a four-door sedan, a station sedan, wagon, a utility vehicle, UDA, and a panel van, the FE appealed to both private motorists and commercial users. Its practical design and rugged construction made it well-suited to Australia's varied road conditions. Power came from Holden's proven 2.2-liter inline six-cylinder grey motor petrol engine, producing approximately 70 horsepower. The engine was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission driving the rear wheels. While performance was modest by modern standards, the FE offered dependable reliability, smooth operation, and economical running costs, making it a popular choice for everyday transport. The FE also introduced several improvements over its predecessor, including better suspension, enhanced braking, improved ventilation, and a more refined dashboard layout. These changes contributed to greater driving comfort and handling, helping the model earn widespread acceptance among Australian motorists. Production of the Holden FE continued until 1958, when it was replaced by the Holden FC, which retained much of the FE's mechanical design while featuring updated styling. During its production run, more than 150,000 FE vehicles were built, reflecting the model's commercial success and its importance in Australia's growing automotive industry. Today, the Holden FE is regarded as one of Australia's most significant classic cars. Well-preserved and restored examples are highly valued by collectors and are frequently displayed at classic car events. The FE remains a symbol of Australia's post-war industrial growth and Holden's enduring legacy in the nation's automotive history. Brought to you by News Desk from Morelli Edutech. Thanks for watching this presentation. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more informative videos.